Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create and edit databases using commands on Notion. Notion databases can be managed with commands too, making it easier to add properties, sort data or filter results. Some common database commands are to create a table database /table, to create a board carbon style database /board, to create a list database /list, to create a calendar database /calendar, to create a gallery database, which is very useful for displaying images or cards /gallery, to insert a date property in a database /date, to add a relation between two databases /relation, to create a rollup property to summarize data from related databases /rollup, and to add a formula property to perform calculations or custom logic /formula. You can create new views, filter, or sort a database by using commands in database settings or through the slash method.